In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form using Google Drive. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by going to the Google Drive website and make sure you're already logged in. Once you're inside your Drive, go to the top left corner and click the plus new button. From the drop-down menu, select Google Forms to create a new form. A new form will open in a separate tab. At the top left, click on Untitled Form and type a name for your form so it's easy to identify. Right below that, click on Untitled Question to enter your first survey question. Next, look to the right side of the question box and click the question type drop-down. This lets you change how users will answer, such as multiple choice, short answer, or check boxes. Choose the format that fits your question. To add more questions, go to the floating vertical toolbar on the right side of the screen and click the plus icon. This will insert a new question below your current one, and you can repeat this to build out your form. If you want to customize how your form looks, click the paintbrush icon at the top right. From here, you can change the colors and overall theme to match your style or branding. Now go to the top center and click on the Settings tab. Inside this section, click the drop-down arrow next to Responses. Find the option for Collect Email Addresses and set it to Verified so you can track who is submitting responses. Once everything is ready, go to the top right corner and click the Publish button. A pop-up window will appear where you can click Manage to adjust access settings, such as allowing anyone with the link to respond. After setting permissions, click Done, then click Publish again to make your form live. After publishing, the Publish button will change. Click it again, then select Copy Responder Link to get your shareable URL. You can now send this link to anyone you want to collect responses from. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.